An international team of astronomers has discovered a supermassive black hole that is closer to Earth than any other black hole known. But let's not go so fast. First, we will analyze what a black hole is. Black holes have been a mystery to scientists since they were first discovered. It's not known exactly how they form, what they look like, or where they are located in space. What we do know is that black holes contain an incredible amount of mass in a very small space, and that nothing can escape their gravitational pull, not even light. Black holes are very dense objects that have a gravitational pull so strong that nothing can escape their grasp, not even light. They form when stars die and collapse in on themselves. You see, black holes are everywhere. They're not just found in the Milky Way, or even just our galaxy, they are found throughout space. In fact, there could be hundreds of billions of black holes out there. There are many different ways that stars can die, but the most powerful one is called a supernova. When a star reaches its end, it collapses on itself and becomes incredibly dense. As this happens, it creates a black hole. Scientists think that black holes are formed when stars die because there is evidence of them in outer space. They've been able to see small amounts of radiation coming from the center of galaxies where they think dark matter exists, and they've seen large amounts of mass at the center of these galaxies as well. Black holes are extremely small, but they have a very high mass. The radius of a black hole is only about the size of an atom, or about 10 to 30 meters. This is about 1,000 times smaller than the Sun and 100 billion times smaller than Earth. However, their mass can be up to billions of times greater than that of our Sun. In fact, most black holes have masses ranging from around 3 dozen to more than 1 million solar masses. That's 3,000 plus times heavier than our Sun. Black holes also have incredibly strong gravitational force at their centers, so much so that not even light can escape them once it gets within their boundaries. The gravity of a black hole is so intense that nothing can escape it. Gravity is a force that attracts objects to each other, like the Earth and the Moon. Gravity also causes objects to fall towards each other, like an apple falling out of a tree. It's a law of physics. The bigger something is, the stronger its gravitational pull will be. That's why you can't get away from Earth just by jumping up in the air. Try it. Black holes are so dense that it's difficult to imagine them having any form. But black holes do have shapes and sizes, even though they are so small that you can't see them with your eyes. What you can do is look for the effects of a black hole's gravity on its surroundings. Matter falling into such an object, known as accretion, or hot gas swirling around it like water circling down the drain of a bathtub. These features give scientists clues about how much mass must be hidden inside a black hole, allowing them to figure out its size and shape based on what we see happening there today. Black holes are not well understood by physicists. They don't know how they form, how they behave, and what happens to the matter that goes in. In fact, some physicists think that black holes may actually be one of many different types of objects. Ultimately, black holes are a mystery for physicists to figure out. It is still unknown how they form or what happens inside them. However, we know that they exist and have been around since the beginning of time. Now let's talk about the protagonists of this video. Astronomers using the International Gemini Observatory, operated by Astronomers Lab, have discovered the closest known black hole to Earth, which they have dubbed Gaia 11. This is the first and ambiguous detection of a dormant stellar mass black hole in the Milky Way and its close proximity to Earth, a mere 1,600 light-years away, offers an intriguing target of study to advance our understanding of the evolution of binary systems. Black holes are the most extreme objects in the universe. Supermassive versions of these unimaginably dense objects likely reside at the centers of all large galaxies. Stellar mass black holes, which weigh approximately 5 to 100 times the mass of the Sun, are much more common, with an estimated 100 million in the Milky Way alone. Only a handful have been confirmed to date, however, and nearly all of these are active, meaning they shine brightly in X-rays as they consume material from a nearby stellar companion, unlike dormant black holes, which do not. The team originally identified the system as potentially hosting a black hole by analyzing data from the European Space Agency's Gaia spacecraft. Gaia captured the minute irregularities in the star's motion caused by the gravity of an unseen massive object. To explore the system in more detail, El-Badri and his team turned to the Gemini multi-object spectrograph instrument on Gemini North, which measured the velocity of the companion star as it orbited the black hole and provided a precise measurement of its orbital period. The Gemini follow-up observations were crucial to constraining the orbital motion and hence masses of the two components in the binary system, allowing the team to identify the central body as a black hole roughly 10 times as massive as our Sun. Though there are likely millions of stellar mass black holes roaming the Milky Way galaxy, those few that have been detected were uncovered by their energetic interactions with a companion star. As material from a nearby star spirals in toward the black hole, it becomes superheated and generates powerful X-rays and jets of material. If a black hole is not actively feeding, that is, it is dormant, it simply blends in with its surroundings. I've been searching for dormant black holes for the last 4 years using a wide range of data sets and methods, said El-Badri. My previous attempts, as well as those of others, turned up a menagerie of binary systems that masquerade as black holes. But this is the first time the search has borne fruit. You like the video? Give us a thumbs up and let us know what you thought about this terrifying black hole in the comment box. This was Into Space. See you in the next video.